Welcome to Sigma Solver, guys. Before I start the video, I want you guys to smash the like button. This helps the YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Today we are going to discuss an very important topic in decision tree as well as in machine learning, which is Gini Index. So Gini Index is basically a measure to understand how impure or basically pure a particular data set is. It lies between 0 and 1, this Gini Index, and 0 means a very pure data set. That is, in a classification problem, when we have the whole data set having this samples of the same category, then we will say that the Gini index for this data set is 0. But suppose it is a binary classification problem and 50-50% of the data set is either of the two classes, then we will say that particular sample has a Gini index of 1, right? It is completely mixed. Similarly goes with the case of like multi-class classification where more than one type of data or category of data will be involved. So in that case also we will say it is a 1 because if they are equally distributed. And like if it is not that case, then how we will be proceeding, we will see that now. So the question given is basically calculate the Gini index at x greater than equal to 0 for left tree. The data set A is given below. So based on the data set, we first need to create the tree, classification tree. Then basically on top of that, we will find what is the Gini index for the left tree. So data set here. Now for x greater than 0, we have x is equal to 1.5 and x is equal to 2.1. And if we see that the number of y equal 1 has the target class 1 and y is equal to 2 target class has 0 instances. Similarly for x is equal to 2.1, if we see we have one instance of the class y is equal to 1 and 0 instances of y is equal to 0. So since we are only concerned with the left tree, so I have just drawn this. Similarly we can draw the other half of the tree as well. Now let's compute the Gini index. So the formula for Gini index is 1 minus summation of pi square. So here pi basically means the probability of the target class given x is equal to 1.5. So for the left tree, what we will have is for x is equal to 1.5, the probability of y is equal to 1 is half. Probability of y is equal to 1 for x is equal to 2.1 is half. So since there are only two classes and one is occurring in either of the class, so it is basically 1 by 2. Either it will be 1 0 or 0 1, right? Because y can only take one value, so it is like half. So if we just square that, then we get 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which comes out to be 1 by 2. So like this is how we calculate the Gini index. Similarly for other problems, if we have more than two classes, then it will be an extension of this. We will put on more like classes along with their probabilities of y equal to 1. So that is how we calculate the Gini index. And one thing to remember is like we always want to find such an attribute, like here we chose x, right? X is greater than 0 or less than 0. So based on this attribute, we will have to split the tree, and we always need to find an attribute that minimizes the Gini index. So the more it is minimized, the more pure the branch or the node we get from the decision tree. Basically when we draw a decision tree, we say that the node below, that is the node which is the children of the higher node, is always more pure than the parent node. So in order to do that, we should always look out for such attributes that are minimizing the Gini index. So that's been it. If you still have any doubt, then feel free to reach out in the comment section below. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. Till then, happy solving.
Hey there, before you go, I've got some fantastic content lined up for you. Over here, we've got some videos and playlists you might enjoy. But first, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of our future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.